If you're a business owner or marketer, having a Facebook business page is essential for building your online presence and connecting with customers. In this video, we'll go over the key features that make a Facebook business page a powerful tool for growing your business. First, your page has a profile picture and cover photo or video, which represent your brand and make a strong first impression. Your About section is also critical, where you can share your business description, contact information, website, hours, and location. This makes it easy for potential customers to find and learn about your business. Another important feature is the call to action button. You can set it to shop now, book now, contact us, or even send message, encouraging visitors to take action directly from your page. A Facebook business page also allows you to post updates, photos, videos, and stories, keeping your audience engaged. You can even schedule posts ahead of time to maintain a consistent content plan. The page is integrated with Messenger, so customers can message you directly, and you can set up automated responses for common inquiries. Reviews and ratings are another key feature, helping you build credibility and trust with your audience, while responding to reviews shows engagement and care. With Facebook Insights, you can track the performance of your posts, audience engagement, and follower demographics, giving you the data you need to make smarter marketing decisions. You can also create and promote events, list jobs and services, and even run Facebook ads directly from your page to reach a wider, targeted audience. These features combined make your Facebook business page a hub for engagement, promotion, and growth. If this video helped you understand the key features of a Facebook business page, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching.